Alright, time to get moving on to the middle part here of the new Atelier JoRaSe sign. And this time we're going to be airbrushing the blue on to the middle part here. It just takes a bit of a small bit of effort to ensure that the suction and pressure are working properly to get the paint coming out. There it is. I think we're going to need a bit more side action here. Yeah, I think this is working to actually output the spray, the paint as it were. And indeed, there we have a good coat going down. The suction has been properly established. And we've only got this camera angle this time around because I was not thinking properly, and I either thought the memory card on the top camera was empty and it wasn't, or I didn't have it turned on at all, or had it turned on and then turned it off. One of those is what happened to make it where we have no top video. Just keep going here and we'll have a fully blue midsection for the sign soon enough. Just be a little bit longer. I do have to work with the airbrush and the paint container at times. In my hand, it doesn't feel like it's staying together, but it really is. It's something I've got to get used to. It is a thing, and I know there are other types of airbrushes, and I'm planning on getting a better one, but for right now this will do. Now I think we need more paint. And indeed, it does look that way. So let's start with a white. Get some added in here. I think that should just about do it for the white. Now for the blue. Always give it a little shake. Just a few drops. Of blue. Now to get the little stirring stick I have here, and get it all mixed together. That should do it. Now to reassemble everything. And then get back to applying paint. Once I get my hands wrapped around, or hand wrapped around the airbrush again, there we go, let's go. Yeah, that's what I needed, more paint. That is what I needed. Just a few more spots that need some touching up, and I think we'll be ready to move on to something else. In fact, I'm sure we'll be ready to move on to something else. And that something else is going to be the third and final part. This time I thought I had the side camera running. I didn't. But we do have it from the top, so in a roundabout way you're getting to see both angles in one video. Admittedly, not the way I had originally intended it to work, but it is what it is. Get everything set up here. I think we are about ready to go. I think we are good to go. Now to start spraying and wait for the paint to start coming out. Should be seeing it here any moment. Am I missing something? There it is. Finally. Finally it starts to come out. And now to apply to the third part of the new Atelier JoRaSe sign model thing. Just a slow back and forth process. And I do realize the camera does not like the light. That's why you're seeing the strobing effect slightly, but it's there. Or the rolling shadow, I guess would be a better description. I don't know. Regardless, this is just about done. Should be over with real soon here, because we've just about got all the paint applied to this that we need. Just keep giving it a final pass here. Trying to catch those areas that didn't quite get it the first pass. It happens. And it should be remembered, this is my first use of an airbrush on any project of any real size, so I'm pleased with what I'm getting. I know there are plenty out there who know how to use an airbrush better than me. And to those I say, good for you. Please be mindful that the rest of us have to start somewhere and work our way. I've got to call it at some point. I think that's good enough. I do believe it is. Hey there everyone, just wanted to say thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and want to see more, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you did enjoy the video, how about giving it a thumbs up? Alright, I will see you all next time.